Assalamualaikum everyone. I am SYAFIQAH. Today we are going to explain about the relationship between the quality of sleep and physical activity level. Throughout the video, we will show you on how to find the best fit equation for linear and quadratic model using real data that we obtained. Physical activity level refers to how much exercise and movement a person gets. Meanwhile, sleep may not seem very important, but getting enough sleep can help prep your mind, heart, and even weight. It can affect how well they sleep. This study aimed to assess the quality of sleep and physical activity levels among individuals and investigate the relationship between these two variables. Based on our data that we get, we took physical activity level as variable X and quality of sleep as variable Y. Now, I will pass this presentation to Dina to present about the linear model first.
Hi, my name is Dina and I will explain more about linear model. For the first step, we must know the formula of normal system. As you can see, the formula is shown in the slide. We must find the value of M transpose, and Y. Then we will get the value of normal system, which is matrix 133 and 7675. After we calculate the value of normal system, we substitute it into least square solution formula. Then we will get the value for the best fit curve for linear model, which is 421654 over 134339 plus 8663 over 134339x. Let's move on how we calculate the magnitude of error vector for linear model. Let's find the value of error vector first by using the formula y minus mv. After we get the result, we find the magnitude error vector. The answer will be 263223 over 134339. Next slide, I will show you how we find the answer by using Maple.
Next, I will explain further on how to get best fit equation based on the quadratic model using least square method. As we know, the quadratic model equation is y equals to a plus bx plus cx squared. To conduct a least square method, firstly we need to define matrix M and Y. And then we can use the normal system formula as shown in this slide. When we enter x value and y value using Maple, we will get matrix M transpose, and V automatically. Then it will calculate the M transpose M and M transpose Y, and we will get the answer as above. Next, this is how we find the least square solution. After we calculate the value of normal system, we substitute it into least square solution formula. Then we will get the value for the best fit curve for quadratic model, which is 0.57537 plus 0.16259x minus 0.000841788x squared when we rounded them off into decimal number. Next, let's move on how we calculate the magnitude of error vector for the quadratic model. Let's find the value of error vector first by using the formula y minus mv. After we get the result, we find the magnitude error vector. The answer will be 2260286 over 124693861. So, these are the steps on how to find best fit equation and calculate it manually using Maple.
For the graph, as you can see, we know that the value of y for linear model is equal to 421654 over 134339 plus 8663 over 134339x. Based on the graph, it shows that there is a strong positive linear relationship between quality of sleep and physical activity level. Therefore, If the physical activity level is high, then quality of sleep is high.
So, this is the quadratic curve of the best fit curve for our case. So, this is our parabola with an open downwards as our p is less than 0.
So now, here the graph of error vector against x value for a linear model. The graph shown the value of error vector is scattered around the x value. Therefore, we can conclude that error vector is normally distributed.
Next, this is the graph of the error vector against x values. The graph shows that error vectors are scattered around x values. Therefore, we can conclude that the error is randomly distributed.
In conclusion, we already list out all the value of error magnitude for each model. For the linear model and quadratic model, the error magnitude that we get is 1.9594 and 1.8127 respectively. Therefore, we can conclude the best fit curve that has the lowest error magnitude is quadratic model, which can give the best approximation.